Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today we're going to be cleaning up one of my little garden sprinklers. It's going to be a fun one. Let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well this is one of my little sprinklers that I've been collecting over the years. I just got this one recently. I thought it was cute as a button, so I figured I would give it its just due and get the old paint off there, clean it up a little bit, give it a fresh paint job, and get this one ready for this season. So I say we jump right into this. Take out the gasket. That thing's about had it. Then we're going to throw it on the wire wheel, clean up the face a little bit. We'll see if we can't get some of the paint off there, but I think stripper is going to be our best bet. So let's go see what we can do with the wire wheel. We got a bit of it off there. looks much better. Alrighty guys, we are all done with this one. The Little Daisy sprinkler came out absolutely awesome. I'm quite happy with it. We took off that funky yellow paint on there. We gave it a Caterpillar yellow paint job, polished up the face, gave it a new hose washer. This thing is ready to rock and roll in the garden this spring and summer. That's it for this one, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye. Alrighty guys, well the Little Daisy sprinkler came out absolutely awesome. We didn't go with a bright yellow, we went with a Caterpillar. Alrighty guys, we are all done with this one. The Little Daisy sprinkler came out fantastic. I'm quite happy with it. We gave it a Caterpillar yeller. Alrighty guys, we are all done with this one. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. The Little Daisy came out absolutely sweet. I am really happy with it. We gave it a Caterpillar yeller. That is so hard to say. Oh man.